try to play underneath it. Can you hear the sound? And then already mirror. What's going on YouTube? Arash here, and then welcome back to my channel. Today I do have the BMW 2 Series for the full color change with the satin bubblegum pink. Actually, after 8 years in this industry, it's my first time wrapping the car with the pink, and then I'm so excited about it. So please stay tuned, and then always check our Instagram so you can see how the color gonna be turned nice, and then looks going to be good on the 2 Series. And then the customer also is the girl, so perfect match. And in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the side mirror, door trim, and the mirror cap of this 2 Series, which is going to be same for the 3 Series and 4 Series in F body. So please be with me until the end, and then if you are new here, please subscribe the channel, and then if you like my video, smash the like button. Let's get into it. Okay, before starting to remove the mirror, I want to show you how to remove that mirror cap. Maybe you like to replace it with the carbon, or like this customer, the car is the 2 Series, he add the this cap with the M2 style or M style. You can see that shape. So it's going to be same for the 2 Series, 3 Series, 4 Series. Even the shape of the cap, it's a little bit different, but all gonna be same for the F body. And then G body, it's a little bit different. If the G body coming, I will show you that one too. But I highly recommend it. I saw it in some video. People are first remove the mirror glass from the inside and then try to push the pin out. That's maybe easier, but is harder and then too risky to break the glass. So I highly recommend it to not do it for BMW. I'm gonna show you the much easier way. So you usually, if the car is new, for sure put the masking tape here to not damage this high glossy. And then you need something like this. Also you can use the wrapping squeegee. Try to play underneath it. Can you hear the sound? And then already mirror got out. And then a little bit here too. Okay. So as soon the bottom part got released, you just need to grab the mirror and come to this way, because those are pinned, okay? It's going to there. So, and then in the same way, you can install it back again. Okay, to remove the mirror, because it has the 3 bolts, 2 gonna be here and then 1 gonna be here. So we need to remove the disc cover, and some car with the better option has the speaker and tutor here. So that one at the bottom, it's hooking something inside. So we need to remove the door trim. The first things you have to do, remove the disc cover. And then at the, where I point my finger, in this area has the one line, so you can put your trim remover there and then twist it, it's going to come off. Here, right here, like this way. Okay, and then as soon the upper part came out, you have to be careful here, because it has the hook in this shape here. And then it has 2 bolt size, if I'm not wrong, yes, 25, torque 25. These 2, 1, another one here. Okay. And then second step, we have to remove this plastic cover around the door catch. Also you can use the trim remover at this edge. Slowly, it's gonna come off. Hold this one. Okay. This one. And then another bolt here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then 2 bolts should be underneath it, one here and then another one here under the door trim. Last one. Cannot see. Okay, got it. Now 5 bolt we did remove, so with the trim remover find the gap. BMW key is too hard. Okay, and then at the upper part has the key like this too. So you have to grab the door like this. And then careful to not break this one. Okay. Door trim got free. I usually not remove the BMW door trim because I don't need to disconnect those things. First, I'm gonna hold it like this and then remove that one. Look at here, it has the one hook with the something like the Silante gummy black stuff. And then when you remove that one, put the door trim back again. Don't need to fully put it back, just install it to the position. So when the job finish, you can easily open it again like this, and then you have to push it hard. Okay, and then now you can see, let me bring the camera more closer. You can see the 2 bolts here, another one it's here hiding under the rubber. First you need to disconnect the harness. It has 2 tabs at the upper part and then down part. And then for this bolt, size is torque 30. Okay. So as soon you remove the second one, when you go to the last one, you should stand and then hold the mirror. Let me hold it better. Okay. Hello. That's the way you can remove the side mirror of the 2 series, 3 series, 4 series in F body. Okay guys, now you know how to remove the side mirror and then door trim of BMW 2 series. I say again, for the 3 series and 4 series going to be same, and I hope you enjoy it and then be helpful for you DIY your project, your customer car, your own car, whatever you're gonna do. I explain it step by step. So please subscribe the channel And then if you have any question, please comment below. If you are interested for learning the how to wrap the car from the A to Z, I having the online courses. Please contact me and then shoot me a DM through my Facebook or my Instagram. I'm gonna put the ID underneath this post. Also, you can find it on this post description, and I'm gonna send you all the info. Please take care of yourself, and then I'm gonna come back very, very soon. Bye bye.